Step into this beautifully maintained 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo offering over 1,400 square feet of open, thoughtfully designed living space. Tucked away in a peaceful and quiet neighborhood, this charming home is bathed in natural light and features a bright and airy floor plan perfect for both relaxing and entertaining. The vaulted entry leads you to a spacious living area enhanced by a cozy wood-burning fireplace and wired for surround sound, ideal for movie nights or entertaining guests. Just off the living room, the inviting sunroom opens to a large private deck with serene wooded views, your own quiet retreat. The kitchen shines with granite countertops, gas cooking, a microwave, dishwasher, and rich laminate hardwood flooring that continues into the adjacent dining area. A large walk-in laundry room adds to the home's convenience. The primary suite is a true retreat with a generous walk-in closet and a beautifully renovated ensuite bath, 2021. The second full bathroom offers comfort for guests or family. Enjoy the benefits of a prime location, just minutes from the RESTON Community Center, top-rated schools, the brand new Wegmans, shopping, dining, parks, and public transportation. Pets considered on a case-by-case basis. Pre-qualification guidelines: 1. Applicants, each adult, 18 years and older, that will occupy the property must submit a rental application. 2. Proof of income, monthly income for all adults, combined, must be at least 3 times the monthly rent amount. 3. Credit score, 600 is the minimum credit score. Use rent spree link for application.